How to view all the messages on Instagram once downloaded. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can find or view all your messages on Instagram after downloading your data. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will see how we can request for Instagram data. After that, we will see how we can find them. So first of all, open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner, and from the settings and activity, tap on your activity. Once you're here, again scroll down and then head towards download your information. Tap on download or transfer information, select your Instagram account, tap on next. And here tap on some of your information, and from here you could simply select the messages in order to find only the messages. Then tap on next. But in case if you want to download all of your information, you could also do that, and here tap on download to device. And now here select your account, date, range, make sure that you have this correct email access that you have access to, the format and the quality. Once done, tap on create files. Now the request has been sent to Instagram, and once all of your data are available, the Instagram will email you. And once you have an email from Instagram, you have to open up the email, and there you will have a link that says download information. Tap on it, then you may be asked to log in into Instagram account, and once you're logged in, your zip file will be downloaded in your device. After that, you have to extract that zip file. So go to your downloaded folder in your device. There you'll find your downloaded zip file. Then choose extract all or tap on it. And once you have extracted all of the files from your zip file, that will create some folder into the file. After that, in order to find the extracted folder, navigate to the messages folder. There go to the inbox folder. Then you will see all of these folders named after your chats. Open up the folder and you will find all of your messages in HTML format. That will open up in a web browser and display the full messages history with that person or group. So that's the way to find all of your downloaded messages from Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.